once again to teach you today. The question we have on the board is a maths program that I extracted from the popular book that we use to prepare kids for common entrance examination. The book you know as Ugosi Ugo Mathematics. So if you are here, you are a candidate preparing for your common entrance examination, I urge you to pay adequate attention so that you see how I'll solve this as simply as possible so that you know how it can be solved. You never can tell. You may see something like this during your common entrance examination. So let's go. Let me show you the easy way of solving that. All right, we have the question. The question says, find the difference between the sum of 250 and 150 and the product of 25 and what? 8. All right, so we have solution like this. I know that some people, when they have a problem like this, they will become confused. All right, difference between the sum of this and that, whatever. But when you look at this now, the key word here is what? To find the difference. The key word here is to find the difference between this. First of all, you find the 2. When you say between, it should be between 2. If it's more than 2, it should not be between again, it should be among. All right. So between this, first of all, you find sum of this. So you find sum. That is how it can be solved. Sum of 25 and 150. Sum of 250 and 150. So we have like this. We have 250 plus 150 like this. When you add together, you have 400. Can you see it? All right. Next one we have is we have product of 25 and 8 like this. Can you see that? So product simply means multiplication. What you get when you multiply. All right, 8 times 5 will give us 40. Write 0, carry 4. 8 times 2 will give us 16 plus 4, you have 20. So you have like this. This will give us what? 200. Can you see that? So they said find the difference between the sum and the product. When you hear difference, it means subtract one from the other. When they say difference without mentioning whether it's negative difference or positive difference, I would advise you to go for what? Positive difference. But difference can be classified into 2. We have negative difference where bigger one is subtracted from smaller one, and we have positive difference where the smaller one is subtracted from bigger one. That is why the answer should be what? Negative. When you have negative difference, something like -5, -7. When you have positive difference, the difference should be what? A positive number. Maybe +20, +40, or ordinarily 25. You know, ordinary 25 simply means +25. Most times we don't write plus. When you see ordinary number, it means positive what? Number. All right, so here they said find the difference. They didn't specify whether it should be negative difference or positive difference. When you have something like this, solve for positive difference. So we now have difference like this. We have difference. Difference is equal to, they said find the difference between sum. So we have sum minus what? Product. Can you see that? Sum minus what? Product. The sum we obtained 400, while the product we obtained 200. Can you see that? You say 400 minus 200, that will give us what? 200. Can you see that? It means that the difference we are talking about here is what? 200. So the right option is what? Option C. All right, so that is it. I believe that you enjoyed the way I just solved this. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. Follow this page and share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this knowledge in order to get educated. Bye.